sad situation there. We're not dealing with anything like that, but what are we dealing with tonight?
Right, well, luckily we're just going to be mainly dealing with some rainfall as we head into the early part of this week. So we do have some rain on the way. Places north and west could actually see some wintry precipitation too. So the higher elevations, places like the Poconos, you could be dealing with a bit of snow or some sleet mixing in there as we head through later Monday and then into Tuesday morning. But for most of us, we're just going to be dealing with a rain event, and it is going to bring a decent amount of rainfall too, which of course will be beneficial considering that we had been pretty dry. Our temperatures, of course, have been mild as well over the weekend. These past few days, we've been above the average. Normal highs are in the mid to upper 30s for this time of year, and highs today actually got to that 50-degree mark in quite a few spots across the area. But as we head overnight, our low temperatures will only fall back into the low 40s, and then through the day Monday, temperatures actually drop a bit from the low 40s back into the 30s. So tomorrow will be a bit cooler, and as we head through the day, we're going to be dealing with windy conditions as well. We'll have this area of low pressure affecting us that's going to ride its way up the coast, and it's going to intensify as it does. But with that high pressure off to our north and our east, between these two systems, we're going to see strong winds. So windy conditions throughout the day on Monday with the rainfall that we're going to be getting too. And again, north and west, we're watching the potential for some of that wintry precipitation. Right now, wind speeds are a bit breezy in some spots, 13-mile-per-hour winds in Allentown, 12 miles per hour back in Lancaster, 10 miles per hour in Reading, but wind speeds will continue to pick up as we head overnight into tomorrow. And we do have a wind advisory for a good part of the viewing area. That's in effect from about 5 o'clock Monday morning until 4 p.m. We also have a flood watch in effect for Mercer County with some of the heavier rain that we're going to be getting. Localized flooding certainly isn't out of the question. It is expected to be, minor, or at least not a huge concern, but it is something that we're going to be watching for, especially with those strong winds coming in off the shore. So places further to the coast, you're going to be dealing with stronger winds than places further inland. But to the north, a winter storm watch is actually in effect for our northern counties here from late Monday afternoon into Tuesday morning, again, because the potential for that wintry precipitation, even some light accumulations, not out of the question, but we've been so mild these past few days that it might be a little tough to see that. So something we'll continue to watch, of course, as we head through tomorrow. Satellite and radar right now showing us a little bit of drizzle out there in some spots, so we'll be dealing with that as we head overnight tonight, and then some shower activity will push in here as we get into the morning. So the bigger picture, taking a look at this system down to our south and east, that area of low pressure again is going to intensify as it works its way up the coast. That's going to bring us the heavy rainfall, and of course we're going to be dealing with those winds. Current conditions though have us sitting at 50 degrees still in Allentown, so we're dealing with these mild conditions through tonight. 48 right now for a temperature in Reading, 49 degrees back in Lancaster, 47 in Philadelphia, reporting a good amount of cloud cover. Reading, a little bit of that drizzle or light shower activity. The future satellite and radar taking us through tonight. You'll see the rain and the showers start to push in here as we get into Monday morning. Then by Monday afternoon, that's when the steadiest and I think some of the heavier periods of rain will push in here as well. You can see those darker oranges. We're going to be dealing with heavy periods of rain Monday afternoon into the evening, and as those temperatures cool off a bit through the afternoon too, again, we're going to be watching for areas north and west to get a little bit of that wintry mix in there too. But things generally will taper back once we get into Tuesday morning, and then we'll see some drier conditions as we head through the rest of the week, but it comes with some colder temperatures. By next weekend, we're looking at temperatures back to more seasonable conditions with highs in the 30s. But tonight, lows drop back near 40 degrees. It will become windy as we get into Monday. Those wind speeds pick up. We'll see areas of drizzle out there tonight and that rain arriving towards dawn, and we'll be dealing with the rain as we head through the day. I think the steadiest, again, coming in the afternoon and early evening hours, but it will be wind-swept, windy throughout the day. Temperatures throughout the day, too, will be mainly in the 30s, and we're watching for that mix to the north and the west. The 7-day forecast keeps us above average over the next several days, but you can see by the end of the week, here comes that colder weather. By Friday, some colder air will filter in. We're back down into the 30s for the upcoming weekend. Chandy, back to you.